Hey guys, Scuba here. We'll be covering the handling products, namely the three generations of spinning reels. Started off with the gray, then it went to the black, and now the new red and black. And on these are going to be two spinning rods. So let's get into it.
Aloha guys, Scuba here. I like to explain a little story about handing. In the mid 1991, I was contacted and I was asked to be one of the US reps for them. I politely turned them down at the time, but I wanted to try some of the gear. So this is the gear that I set myself up with. What I first noticed is basically geared for the freshwater anglers, but there was some items in there that I thought would be good for saltwater. So I received my first items in, let's see, that's about 3 years ago. And I must admit, for saltwater usage, they've been pretty good. To me, the crown for their saltwater achievements have been in this reel here, this one here, the original M1. Now this reel here is the first one was gray, and they were offered up to huge sizes. I mean, really good surf casting sizes. After that came the blacks. For years, the blacks were the reel. I mean, you can match with anything. And then the last 6 to 7 months ago, these new ones came out. Now these are the Ready Elites. I tell you, I like those. Those are more for the, I gather they're more for the freshwater crowd, but I use those for saltwater. They work equally as well. They're only up to size 4,000, but they work extremely well. And as you notice, I added on Gomex's power knobs, which I sent the information back to the company, and they were happy that I was able to do that. Now, over the years, they did away with a lot of the huge surf casting sizes like this. I think they're trying to stick to more to the freshwater crowd. But like in the blacks here, they're down to ultralight sizes. So they got everything covered from basic ocean use to freshwater usage, which is great. Also, I found two type of rods that I like for saltwater usage that's also great for freshwater. The Mirage, this one here is 8'6" in 2 pieces. That's why it says 862 mH, so it's medium heavy. This one here is the 8802 ml, which is 8 feet in 2 pieces, medium light application. That's the green one here. Now, they no longer make the Mirage in the 8.6, but I believe they still come in the 8. After all, they're trying to scale down more for the freshwater crowd, but again, for freshwater, saltwater, I like these longer pieces. Well, unless if you're in close quarters, like on the trees, then you might stick with the shorter lengths. So currently, to get a good idea of what I'm talking about here, on my own dime, I purchased all the reels, all the sizes they currently have, all throughout the different generations over the years. They first, like I said, Handing first got in contact with me in the late 91, but I didn't want to be a staffer for a company overseas like that, so I ended up purchasing all my equipment. This way, the people who follow me, they will tend to follow my recommendations because I'm not supplied by them. It's going to be honest reviews like I normally do. And since I got all this equipment, I varied the type of lines I put on, used Gomex's knobs, and I contacted Gomex's so they're aware that certain models will fit their products. To accessorize everything, I use my Crown Royal bags with the drawstrings. I store my reels in them, even when they're on the rods. Then I have my line dancer. These here was slipped over the rods, like, let me see, like, see right there, and your line will run through it. And I've done quite a few reviews where the line goes through it and you crank it in, the line goes da, 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 da. It puts an undulation in it to give an idea that there's wounded prey on the end. So those are between the Crown Royal bags and the line dancers. That's a pretty good 1-2 combination. I've also added on Gomex's power knobs, as you notice. The last accessory were fishing butlers. See what it does? It combines the two pieces or three, pull it up. That way it's more compact when you travel. The rods come with, but these two models come with, the Mirage and the Magic L come with free sleeves, and these are really quality sleeves. I like them. I am not positive about the shorter lengths. If they come with the sleeves, you might have to check on that, but at least the longer ones do come with the sleeves, and it's great for storage. I must say I do like this gear. It's very, very inexpensive considering that you get cases for your rods here. That's a nice bonus. I've never had any problems. I'm probably the only one of the few people in the States that owns several dozen of these reels. Now, I have all of them from the very beginning to the most recent, which are the new M1 Reds here. I own rods that are no longer carried into certain lengths, but it's still okay. Now, for freshwater usage, no problem. Saltwater, you just make sure you rinse it off at the end of the day and you're fine. I like the fact that the rods, at least these rods, came with their own carrier sheets. I've been using mono to braid on the reels, no problems. So that's a quick report on what I feel about handling products. It's one of the newer gens of fishing gear available in the US. They are manufactured in China, and you can get those direct from them, or it's just a lot easier to get them from Amazon, because I do, and a couple of days later they're there. I like that. So that's the end of my report. Thank you for watching.